Hi dear children, this is your GK ma'am. Welcome to the GK class. So how are you children? Hope you all are doing good, right? Shall we start our session with prayer? All of you close your eyes and pray God to give this wonderful opportunity for learning. Asato ma sadgamaya तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. All of you slowly open your eyes. Our today's topic is great geniuses. So geniuses means people with extraordinary intelligence are known as geniuses. A genius is a highly talented, creative and intelligent person. So children, if you work hard and learn well, you can also be one of the genius. Okay. So in our previous classes, we already seen some of the great geniuses and their contribution to the world. So this class, let us see some of the other geniuses of the world. So the first genius, René Descartes. René Descartes was born in 1596 France. He was a great French mathematician, scientist and natural philosopher. René Descartes is generally considered as the father of modern philosophy. His greatest contribution to the mathematics is the Cartesian coordination system and Cartesian method. This Cartesian method is famous for having made an important connection between geometry and algebra in mathematics, which allowed for the solving of geometric problem by the way of algebraic equations. And also it used in the discovery of infinitesimal calculus and analysis. This Cartesian method still widely used today in the mathematics. This was named after him, so René Descartes is credited as the father of analytical geometry. So this is the Cartesian coordination system. This describes to solving the geometric problem by the way of algebraic equation. So René Descartes was also one of the key figures in the scientific revolution. In the science, he independently discovered the law of reflection. He also studied optics by using geometry construction and law of refraction. By using this, he described that the angular radius of the rainbow is 42 degrees. This law is also known as Descartes' law or commonly Snell's law. So for the conclusion, René Descartes had become one of the Europe's most famous mathematician, philosopher and scientist by 1649. And he is a great genius. So the next genius, Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was an Indian mathematician, astronomer. He is best known for his inventions of the zero concept. He was born in 476 AD in Patliputra, now modern Patna in Bihar. He was the first major mathematician and astronomer from the classical age of India. And also he is an extraordinary teacher and scholar. Some of his important discoveries in the mathematics are place value system, concept of zero, which was his biggest contribution in the field of mathematics. And also he discovered an approximation value of pi and also algebraic identity, trigonometrical function, and calculate the volume of sphere. So this is the value of pi. So apart from his discoveries in the mathematics, Aryabhatta contributed immensely towards the astronomy. So some of his important astronomy are heliocentric theory, which prove that the sun is located in the center of the solar system and all the planets revolve around it. And he strongly and correctly believed that the planets and the moon shines because of the reflection of the sun. Also, he describes the model of the solar system. He describes the solar and lunar eclipse by scientifically. He also discovered that the earth rotates on its axis. So moreover, he calculated the length of the sidereal rotation of the earth, that is 23 hours 56 minutes and 60 seconds. And also he calculated the length of the sidereal year as 365 days and 6 hours 12 minutes and 30 seconds, which is various with only 3 minutes 2 seconds over the modern day value. So this is the solar system. So Aryabhatta is considered as the greatest genius of all the time, and his contribution to the field of mathematics and astronomy are used world over to this day. So children, we have seen the great geniuses Rene Descartes and Aryabhatta. So we will see some other great geniuses and their contribution in our next session. Your today's homework: write 3 discoveries of Aryabhatta in astronomy. Please avoid your mobile phone, laptop, desktop, tab or any other gadgets item after your session. Drink more water, eat healthy fruits and vegetables, and also go to play at evening. Also, stay home, stay safe. We will meet in our next session. Thank you, children.